Okay, so now we're going to be doing 3-digit by 3-digit addition, and our equation is going to be 254 plus 147. We're going to start off with an estimate, and the estimation strategy that I'm going to be using is compatible numbers, or also known as friendly numbers. So to make this a friendly number, we are going to round 254 to 250 and 147 to 150. And we know by adding 250 with 150, that gives us a total of 400. So my estimate for 254 plus 147 is roughly going to be around 400. So now we're going to solve 254 plus 147 using the concrete method. And I have my base 10 blocks laid out. I have 2 flats, 5 rods, and 4 units to represent 254. I have 1 flat, 4 rods, and 7 units to represent 147. So starting with the ones, we can see here that if we had 3, we can make a complete set of 10. So if I take the 3 from here, I can actually exchange these units for a rod. And I'm just going to add that here for now. And I'm going to bring my 1 down here. And I'm going to write 1. So now, moving on to my 10s, I can see here that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rods, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rods. So a total of 10 rods. And we know that when we have 10 rods, we can exchange those rods for a flat. And I'm going to add the flat here. So that leaves our 10s with a 0. Moving to our hundreds, we have 2 flats and 2 flats. So if we add these flats together, that gives us a total of 4 flats. So 4 hundreds. So our answer for 254 plus 147 is going to be 401. I'm going to be solving 254 plus 147 using the pictorial method. So I can see here that I need 3 more units to make a complete set of 10. So I'm going to add 3 units from 254 to 147. So you can see here we have 10 units. So we can actually exchange those units for 1 rod. We have 1 remainder, so we are going to just write 1 in the ones place. So now when we are looking at the rods, we can see here that we have 5 rods for each number. So a total of 10 rods. We can actually exchange all those rods for a flat. I'm just going to put it here. So now you can see that we have no more 10s, so we can put a 0 in the 10s place. Now looking at our hundreds, we have 4 flats. So we know that 4 flats equals 400. So our answer is 401. Okay, so now we are going to solve 254 plus 147 using my personal strategy expanded form. So to break 254 into expanded form, we're going to have 200, 50, and 4. For 147, we're going to break that down into 100, 40, and 7. So we know that 200 plus 100 gives us 300, 50 plus 40 gives us 90, and that these two give us an answer of 390. So now all we have to add is the ones places. So we know that 4 plus 7 to this will give us 401. So our answer to 254 plus 147 is 401. Looking at the equation, 254 plus 147 through our different methods gave us 401. Going back to my original estimate of 400, you can see that my estimation strategy got me extremely close to the actual answer, making this strategy extremely effective to solve this problem.